Lions, fighting animals, Africa.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So fighting people is easy.
Oh, well, that's not necessarily what we do here. We don't fight unless there's really no options. We'll have equipment. We have mace and we have stun guns.
Oh, you have gun?
Yeah.
Oh, me shooting.
Okay, we need to.
Oh.
I just want to be clear that it's not live rounds. It's electricity. It's just a stun gun, a taser.
Oh, okay. No shooting people?
No,
Okay.
no. We could get in a lot of trouble for that.
Oh, me no shooting. Me good. Me Christian. Me Christian person.
Oh, okay.
Me no like shooting people. Me pray God every day. Me no shooting.
We like to hear that. We like to hear that. Could we have some more information? Like, did you graduate school?
Yes.
Okay.
Me graduate school.
All right. How far did you go in school? Like,
Oh,
college?
not too far. School was behind my house.
oh.
Yes. So school was behind my house. Me did not go too far.
Okay. What I was.
5 minutes walking, fine.
Yeah, that's very close. What I meant to say was, how high? How high did you go in school?
Oh, the school was big. The school was big. Too much classes. Like 20 classes. It was big. That's how high it was.
All right. Maybe we'll get something a little more relevant here.